Welcome to Prosper and Create Real Wealth. Today we're going to uncover the secrets to creating wealth and transforming your financial future one step at a time. Let's start by understanding that creating wealth isn't an overnight process. It requires dedication, hard work, and a strategic mindset. The first key to creating wealth is developing a clear vision of what you want to achieve. Set specific financial goals and visualize yourself achieving them. Next, it's crucial to educate yourself about money. Learn about different investment opportunities, financial management, and tax strategies. Knowledge is power when it comes to building wealth, but knowledge alone is not enough. It's essential to take action. Start by creating a budget that allows you to save and invest wisely. Cut all unnecessary expenses and live within your means. Investing is a fundamental and important aspect of wealth creation. Diversify your investments across different asset classes to minimize your risk. Remember, it's important to do thorough research and seek professional guidance when investing. Another secret to creating wealth is building multiple streams of passive income. Explore opportunities like real estate, stocks, or even starting your own online business. Let your money work for you instead of you always working for your money. And remember, no path to wealth is without obstacles. Embrace failure as an opportunity to learn and grow. Stay persistent and never give up on your dreams. Lastly, surround yourself with like-minded individuals who push you to expand your horizons. Network with successful people who can offer guidance and mentorship. Remember, creating wealth is a journey, not a destination. It's about continuous growth and improvement. Be patient with yourself and stay committed to your financial goals. And remember that wealth is not just about money. It's also about the other 7 facets of a truly wealthy lifestyle that we talk about on our channel. Thanks again for watching this video on creating wealth. We hope you found these secrets valuable. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content about wealth every week. Here's to your journey to living your best life, and we'll see you in the next video.